Your brain is shrinking right now, and most doctors won't tell you the truth. Tonight, I'm going to show you a simple, science-backed nighttime protocol that can stop memory loss and restore your sharpness after 60. Your brain is shrinking right now. I know that's a powerful and unsettling thing to hear. It's the kind of statement that makes you want to switch off this video, step away, and pretend you never heard it. But I'm not here to comfort you with easy lies or soften a reality I witness every single day in my clinic. I am Dr. Ethan Parker, and in my 15 years of focused clinical experience in senior health, I have discovered something critical. The greatest threat to your independence is not aging itself. It is the silence and neglect within the medical system. If you are over 60, you've already experienced this decline. You felt it in that sudden chilling moment of panic when you walk into a room and completely forget why you went there, standing confused in a place that should feel familiar. You felt it when the name of someone you've known for decades sits just out of reach, refusing to come forward. You felt it in the repeated checking of the stove or door, because your trust in your own mind is beginning to slip. And here's the most frustrating part. You go to your doctor, you open up about your fears, you explain that your mental sharpness is fading, and what happens? In just a few rushed minutes, they glance at the clock, offer a polite but dismissive smile, and tell you it's simply a normal part of aging. Maybe they suggest puzzles or hand you a brochure, then send you on your way. I'm here to tell you clearly they are wrong, and that silence is costing you your confidence, your independence, and your future. What you're experiencing is not an unavoidable decline toward dependency. It is a biological shortfall. You are being overlooked by a system that profits far more from managing long-term deterioration than from preventing it. You are not losing your mind. You are being deprived. Specifically, your brain is being denied the essential building materials it needs most during the most important 8 hours of your day. You are starving your brain while you sleep. Tonight, that stops. We are about to uncover a powerful breakthrough in neuroscience, one that requires no medication, no costly supplements, and no complicated mental routines. It involves a very specific ritualistic chewing routine that I instruct you to follow before your head even touches the pillow. Stay with me for every second of this video. I have ranked these 7 foods from simply helpful to astonishingly powerful. And food number 1, the one we will save for last, is something nearly 99% of seniors are consuming completely wrong. Correct this single mistake, and clinical studies show it can boost memory recall speed by more than 63% in less than 30 days. Let's get started. Before we dive into the list, you need to understand the why chewing, and why the hour before sleep is so critical. Inside your brain, there's a neurotransmitter called acetylcholine. Think of it as the high-speed internet of your memory, the essential messenger that lets one neuron communicate with another. When your acetylcholine is high, your brain is a steel trap. You're alert, sharp, witty, fully present, effortlessly recalling details. You don't have to struggle to remember, information just is there. Here's the forensic tragedy. After age 60, your brain's production of this critical chemical takes a steep dive. Research shows adults between 60 and 75 experience a drop of up to 45%. When this internal internet slows, your mind starts buffering. You can't find words, you can't recall faces, your train of thought vanishes mid-sentence. Now, here's the secret. The pharmaceutical industry doesn't want you to know. 90% of your brain's filing work happens while you sleep, a process called memory consolidation. Picture your brain as a high-pressure office building. During the day, papers fly everywhere. Your experiences, your knowledge. By sunset, the office is chaos. Papers litter desks, floors, and hallways. At night, during REM sleep, a specialized repair and filing crew enters. Their job, collect those papers, determine what matters, and file it into the permanent steel cabinets of your long-term memory. But if they arrive without tools, without fuel, without glue to bind the pages, they simply give up. They leave the papers scattered and go home. When you wake, the cleaning crew sweeps away what wasn't filed. That is why you forget. If you are not chewing the exact materials I've identified before bed, you're essentially sending that repair crew home early, leaving your memories to decay. Tonight, we change that. We will give your brain's overnight repair team precisely what it has been starving for. Let's start building their tool belt. Number 7 is raw pumpkin seeds, which I call the mineral spark. I see people eating these all the time, but almost always wrong. Most buy them roasted, salted, flavored. From a neurological standpoint, that's wasted money. For the aging brain, a roasted pumpkin seed is dead. High heat destroys delicate enzymes and strips away the bioavailable minerals your brain desperately needs. You need them raw to get real results. Raw pumpkin seeds are the most concentrated source of magnesium on the planet. In my clinical experience, magnesium is the master key that unlocks NMDA receptors in the brain, the doorways to memory. Without sufficient magnesium, neurons cannot form lasting connections. The glue that binds your memories never sets on its own. You need to take a small handful of raw pumpkin seeds exactly 60 minutes before bed. But here is the critical detail. You must chew them thoroughly until they form a complete paste in your mouth. Do not just swallow them. This deliberate chewing releases salivary enzymes, specifically lingual lipase, which begin extracting the minerals before the seeds even reach your stomach. You are essentially pre-digesting the medicine your brain craves. Chewing slowly also signals your nervous system to switch into parasympathetic mode, the rest and digest state. If you eat stressed, your brain cannot absorb these minerals. So make it intentional. Turn off the television. Treat this as a ritual. Focus on the magnesium being released into your system, ready for the repair crew to arrive and rebuild those neural pathways overnight. Moving to number 6, organic walnuts. I call these the brain's blueprint. Nature is never subtle. A walnut is shaped almost exactly like a human brain because it is biochemically engineered to fuel one. Walnuts are packed with alpha-linolenic acid, or ALA. Landmark UCLA studies show seniors who consume walnuts achieve significantly higher cognitive scores. But here's the forensic truth most health experts never tell you. Do not peel off the thin, papery, slightly bitter brown skin. I know it tastes sharp. I know you want to rub it off to make the nut sweeter. But that bitterness contains 90% of the walnut's antioxidants and protective polyphenols. In my clinic, I tell patients this bitterness is the medicine. That skin is the armor safeguarding the healthy fats inside. When you eat it, that armor transfers to your brain. Your brain is 60% fat, and as you age, oxidative stress can damage it. These walnuts deliver high-quality oil, the lubricant your neural pathways need to stay sharp. I recommend 5 walnut halves, chewed slowly. Let the bitterness linger on your tongue. This signals your brain to prepare for lipid repair while you sleep. If your thoughts feel sluggish, like they're dragging through mud, this is the lubrication your pathways have been missing. Number 5 is something almost nobody in senior health talks about correctly. Dried tart cherries. I call this the glymphatic flush. Not the sweet dark cherries from your fruit salad, but Montmorency tart cherries. At night, your brain activates a specialized trash collection network, the glymphatic system, a microscopic channel network that clears toxic proteins, specifically beta amyloid, the primary driver of Alzheimer's and cognitive decline. Tart cherries contain the highest natural melatonin of any food on earth, but we aren't using them just to help you sleep. This melatonin acts like an antioxidant power washer for your brain's mitochondria, the energy factories inside every neuron. Recent research published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that older adults who consumed tart cherry juice or dried tart cherries daily experienced remarkable improvements in episodic memory, the ability to remember where you were last Tuesday or what you said this morning. I recommend 20 unsweetened dried tart cherries, chewed thoroughly 45 minutes before sleep. As you chew, imagine you are priming your brain's plumbing, so the cleaning fluid can flow efficiently once you drift off. Most of my patients notice a change within 3 to 5 nights. Their dreams become more vivid. Clinically, this is a sign that your nighttime janitor is finally clearing the hallways of your mind. Let me tell you about a patient, Rebecca. She was 74, a retired nurse, a woman who had always managed her life with precision. She came to my office panicked. She was losing her car. She would enter a grocery store for 20 minutes and emerge completely disoriented in the parking lot, wandering for 20 minutes searching for a white sedan she couldn't even picture in her mind. Her trusted doctor told her it was early-onset dementia. He said she needed to prepare for assisted living while she was still lucid enough to sign the paperwork. He effectively told her independence was over. When I saw Rebecca, I didn't see a broken brain. I saw a starving one. Her labs confirmed she was depleted of the exact minerals and healthy fats we are discussing. I put her on this nighttime chewing protocol, removing her usual crackers and cheese before bed. 4 weeks later, she didn't just find her car. She called my office laughing, telling me she had resumed teaching bridge at the community center. She said, "Dr. Kent, it's like someone wiped the thick fog off my glasses. I can see again." Rebecca wasn't a miracle. She was a biological reality given the right tools at the right time. She was being prepared for a nursing home. She just needed raw materials. How many of you are being told to accept decline when the solution is on your local grocery shelf? Moving to number 4, soaked raw almonds. These are the membrane protectors. Everyone knows almonds are healthy, but almost no one consumes them correctly for memory restoration. Almonds are rich in vitamin E, a fat-soluble antioxidant that defends the delicate fatty membranes of your brain. As you age, these fats are vulnerable to free radical damage, the biological equivalent of rust. Vitamin E is the armor, but if you eat almonds dry, straight from the bag, you absorb only about 30% of their benefit. Their skins contain enzyme inhibitors and phytic acid, which block nutrient absorption. You can't get past the gatekeeper. Here's what I instruct patients. Soak your almonds in water for at least 8 hours. The almond awakens, the skin loosens, and peeling it increases nutrient bioavailability by over 60%. I recommend 8 to 10 soaked peeled almonds right before bed. Chew them until they form a liquid paste. This creates a time-release coating of vitamin E that shields your brain during the cleaning cycle initiated by the tart cherries. Think of it as putting on a protective suit before the power washer starts. Number 3, 85% dark chocolate. I call this the brain fertilizer. I know some of you are smiling, but I'm serious. This is a clinical intervention, not a treat. High-percentage cacao contains a compound called epiketechin, which triggers the production of BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factor. In my clinic, I call BDNF Miracle Grow for the brain. It doesn't just protect existing neurons, it encourages new growth, strengthens connections, and revitalizes aging neural networks. It actually stimulates the birth of new neurons in the hippocampus, the very core of your memory. It strengthens your brain's ability to learn, adapt, and form lasting connections. A major study in Nature Neuroscience found that seniors who consumed high-flavonol cacao daily for 3 months showed hippocampal function that resembled people decades younger. But there's a catch. You cannot combine this with milk. Drinking milk or eating milk chocolate binds the flavonoids to dairy proteins, preventing them from ever reaching your brain. At that point, you're just consuming sugar. I want you to take exactly 1 ounce, about 1 square of 85% dark chocolate. It must be 85% or higher. Eat it alone. Let it melt as you chew slowly. By doing this, you are fertilizing the soil of your brain just as the repair crew clocks in for their overnight shift. Number 2, kiwi fruit. I call this the REM stimulator. Kiwi is a powerhouse for the aging brain, and its benefits hinge entirely on the quality of your sleep. As we age, we spend less time in deep REM sleep, the stage where memories are encoded and permanently stored. No matter how many vitamins you take, if REM is insufficient, your brain cannot hit the save button on the day's data. Kiwi is one of the richest natural sources of serotonin. Serotonin isn't just a mood chemical, it is the direct precursor to the deep sleep your brain craves. Studies show seniors who ate 2 kiwis daily achieved significantly higher recall scores. I want you to eat 2 ripe kiwis. Peel them but chew the tiny black seeds thoroughly. These seeds contain oils that help serotonin cross the blood-brain barrier. Chewing the kiwis sets the chemical stage for the night, ensuring your brain has the signal it needs to begin the filing process once REM sleep starts. Are you finding this valuable? If you felt ignored by the medical system, hit that like button. It signals to the algorithm that seniors deserve the truth, not just pamphlets. Comment ready if you are prepared to commit to this 30-day protocol. Let me tell you about James, 78, a retired mechanical engineer. His life was built on logic, blueprints, and precision. When he came to me, he was a shell of himself, lost driving home from his son's house, a route he'd driven for 20 years. He told me, "Dr. Kent, I feel like I'm already dead. I'm just waiting for my body to catch up." I told him, "James, your blueprints are still there. We just need to fix the filing system." Skeptical at first, James committed to this 30-night ritual. 6 weeks later, he returned, not just sharper, but alive in a way he hadn't felt in years. He had started working on an old vintage car in his garage, something he hadn't had the mental energy for in 5 years. He said, "I'm not lost anymore. This is what this is about. Reclaiming your life, remembering names at dinner, Being the grandparent who tells stories, not forgets the ending. Now the number one food. I'll be honest, most of my colleagues are too afraid to recommend it because it isn't elegant, it doesn't come in a fancy bottle, and it isn't expensive. I don't care about elegance, I care about your memory. The top food for pre-bedtime chewing is raw garlic. I know you're groaning, but hear the science. Raw garlic contains allicin, a powerhouse neuroregenerative compound. Once in your bloodstream, it crosses the blood-brain barrier more effectively than almost any drug on the market. Inside, it activates NRF2, the master alarm for your brain's defense system. NRF2 triggers your brain to produce its own internal antioxidants, including glutathione, the mother of all antioxidants, capable of reversing decades of oxidative damage on neurons. A 2024 study found that seniors who consumed raw garlic regularly improved memory recall speed by 63%. But here's why most people fail. Cooking garlic destroys allicin, and garlic pills never produce it. The reaction only occurs when two enzymes inside garlic meet, and that happens only when it's crushed or chewed. If you don't chew it, you don't get the miracle. It's that simple. Here's exactly how to do it. Take 1 small to medium clove of raw garlic. Crush it with the flat side of a knife, and let it sit on your cutting board for 5 to 10 minutes. This pre-activates the allicin. Then chew it thoroughly. Yes, it will burn. That burn is the chemical reaction that will protect and restore your mind. Immediately follow it with your square of dark chocolate to help transport the allicin. The chocolate also neutralizes the burn. This combination is the ultimate nighttime memory switch. Tonight you have a choice. You can continue what you've been doing. You can keep listening to doctors who have already written you off. You can keep buying sugary brain drinks and watch your memories fade like an old sun-bleached photograph. Or you can start this nighttime protocol tonight. Here is your back-to-sharp plan. About 90 minutes before bed, eat your 2 kiwis along with your handful of raw pumpkin seeds and walnuts. Then 30 minutes before sleep, take your final items. That means 1 clove of crushed raw garlic. Chew it thoroughly, followed by your square of dark chocolate, your soaked almonds, and your tart cherries. Make a commitment to yourself and to me. Do this for 30 nights. Don't skip a single one. Keep a simple notebook by your bed. Each morning jot down your dreams. You will notice they become more vivid. That is your memory filing crew going back to work. You are not broken. You have simply been using a system that was never designed to support your success. Tonight, we change that system. Share this video with one person you love, who is starting to forget. You might be the person who saves their independence. I am Dr. Ethan Parker. Stop standing on the sidelines of your own decline. Start chewing. I'll see you in the next consultation. Stay sharp. If you are ready to reclaim your mind, type "ready" in the comments. We are a community of seniors who refuse to fade quietly. We choose health, we choose science, and we choose to remember. Take care of yourself. I'll be back next week with more forensic health guidance for those of us over 60. Until then, remember, aging is mandatory, but memory loss is optional.